Hi guys, what's up? So it's Wednesday today. This is the date, and this is my balcony. Wait, okay. It's very tiny, as you can see. So this is like 6 feet chauda. Like it's 6 feet like this, and then 3 feet like this. Not even completely 3 feet, I guess. So I'm gonna redecorate it. I have some things going on here, but so this is like the most private balcony in my apartment. Baki sari balcony mein na, you can actually see the, and I know it's quite loud out here. So बाकी सारी balcony में you can actually see दूसरों का घर भी. Wait, I'll give you one example what I'm trying to say. So this is my bedroom's balcony, and you can like actually see the people's balcony here. So that's like the most private balcony, and I usually shoot here. So I was going through Pinterest and all of that, so I thought let's do something. So I really want to put like curtains here, white curtains here. So I've called the electrician also because the drilling work will go on. So either I can do like the curtains here, like ये जो गंदी हो रही है ना वहाँ पे, और I can do it like outside, उसके बाहर. तो अगर मैं बाहर लगाऊंगी तो कर्टेन इसके उस साइड आएंगे, अगर अंदर लगाऊंगी तो इस साइड आएंगे. एंड आई वांट कि उस साइड आए तो वो काफ़ी और बड़ा लग सकता है बालकनी उसके वजह से. सो बालकनी उस वजह से और स्पेशियस लग सकता है. सो अभी इलेक्ट्रिशियन आने वाला है. आई एम गोना आस्क हिम. And yeah, I know it's not like one day ka job, so I'll be vlogging whenever we gonna work on the redecoration of balcony. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys the final outcome. I think it's gonna take me like at least 2 to 3 days to put everything together. So yeah, this video.
ठीक है.
So let's ignore the fact about how I look right now, but it's all coming together. Now I'm finally putting these up. So this was a DIY we did like last Diwali. ये एक embroidery ring है, and we just like pasted flowers इस पे. So I'm gonna put like this or like this. Like I'm not sure how I'm gonna put it, but this is where it's going. So I have these sticky hooks with me. I'm just gonna go ahead and see what looks better. I think I'm gonna call my sister and ask her, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so it's decided. I don't even know if you guys can see me because the light is weird. But yeah, so ये बड़े वाला यहीं लगेगा. Then ये दो छोटे same size के. So I'm gonna make a like straight line only. Let's do it. So I have this old thing जिससे पानी देते हैं, and this is like artificial wine. Completely forgot the name. So I'm also gonna set it like here, so it will kind of hide this extension board and some wall marks that this wall has. But yeah, I think it will look nice. I'll see. नीचे उतारना पड़ेगा, पहले ये डाल दो. like probably see me. Oh my god, but this looks like really cute. Actually, this. I mean, I don't know if you can see this, but I got this macrame hanging made when I was doing this like spread love my Instagram store. So I got these made and sold these and kept some for myself. So it just looks so bohemian. Let's just set it all together. By the way, don't pull off such stunts alone. Like me. You know, I'm just gonna tie it all together. And I know a lot of people will say that I'm dumb and you know, why am I putting white curtains in a balcony? Kafi dust hota hai and everything, but I do anything for the aesthetic because we are like that, you know. The sunlight looks amazing, you know, coming through these curtains. Like the shadow is to die for. I'm so happy how it's looking. It's just that this क्या बोलते हैं, paint थोड़ा सा ugly हो रखा है इस balcony का, but I can't really do anything about it now because I am renting this apartment and yeah, ऐसा लगता नहीं है because घर में मैंने कितने कुछ कर दिया है. And I'll probably cry when I leave this house because I have put like so much of my heart in it. But yeah, it looks pretty damn cute. Oh my god. I'll give you a final tour like when I look a little better. And I'm gonna also set some rugs or maybe a mattress here so that you know you can chill and enjoy a movie night alone. But yeah, guys, so the balcony is completely set. I have put a mattress here and some cushions, and this is the coziest corner in my house right now, and it's just beautiful. Okay, I'll give you all the details. So who remembers this? I bought this from Banjara market to actually water my plants, but I didn't. I used it like this and I think it looks really cool. Like ये जो waterfall effect आ रहा है ना, like ये पत्तियों से, और I've also put some copper lights here. ये मैं शाम को आपको पूरा अच्छे से वीडियो भी दिखाऊंगी कि लाइट्स के साथ सब कैसा लग रहा है. एंड ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी रिंग्स DIY है. देन लेट्स कम टू दिस साइड. तो ये कर्टेंस लगाए हैं मैंने. आई गॉट दीज कर्टेंस फ्रॉम Amazon. These are not very good quality curtains, but it serves my purpose. Also society में काम चल रहा है. Anyway, so yeah, these are like polyester and these costed me 491 rupees for like a set of 2 curtains, which are like 9 feet long, so it works. I think the price point is fine, and I have not removed these plants because ये उधर साइड फेस कर रहा है तो मुझे बालकनी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं दे रहा है. सिमिलरली ये भी, plus I think it looks pretty cute. Now yeah, I was talking about this macrame hanging. Isn't this like so bohemian and so gorgeous? अरे तो मैंने दोनों साइड ये लगाया है और बीच में कर्टेन्स थोड़ा सा और बोहेमिक टच देने के लिए. Then on the ceiling I have this जाल. ये भी बड़े जुगाड़ से फिक्स हुआ है. As you can see, वो पहले टेप से एक ये वाला स्ट्रिंग लगा हुआ था, तो मैंने टेप रिमूव नहीं किया बिकॉज सीलिंग का आई नो पेंट उधर जाता. सो इग्नोर दैट, बट आई थिंक द सीलिंग लुक्स प्रीटी गुड. कम टू दिस साइड. सो ये साइड तो आप लोगों ने पहले देखा ही होगा. आई थिंक आई शेयर्ड दिस साइड ऑफ द वॉल, बट यहाँ पे काफ़ी धूप आती है तो आप देख सकते हो कि इसका कलर फेड हो चुका है काफ़ी. बट आई स्टिल लव दीज कोट्स एंड हाउ दिस गैलरी वॉल लुक्स, तो मैंने इसको ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं किया है. नाउ लेट्स कम हियर टू द प्रिटीएस्ट कॉर्नर. बाय द वे, hello, I'm filming it on the same day. I filmed like bunch of videos. Okay, So I've put this mirror. I got this mirror from Banjara Market. If you watched my Banjara Market haul तो आपको पता होगा ये mirror मुझे 500 rupees में मिल गया था you guys. इससे ज़्यादा pretty I don't think कुछ है. Okay, then I have this oil diffuser here again from Banjara Market. I have this, actually it's a pot, a flower pot or something, but मैंने इसको candle stand की तरह use किया है क्योंकि ना ये चिपक गया है candle. It's been like 2-3 days that I've been sitting here and it's such a cozy corner, you know. Okay, now I have this beer bottle. Actually again this is like a DIY. इसमें gold paint हुआ हुआ है. I've put some artificial roses here and then some more floating candles. This candle stand is also a DIY. If you saw it on my Instagram, like I shared it on my stories, then it's like a fake candle. Again, some more candles because candles make every place cozier. Like a wider angle view. This is how everything looks. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the evening also because it looks like 10 times better in the evening जब सब lights जल जाते हैं.
Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm